pressure. You notice this is the same judge that sent Kakwenza to prison instead of sending him to the ICU after the judge that said the cash bonanza parliament was legal. At the same time, this is the same judge that is sending Dr. Kizza Besigye back to prison instead of sending him to hospital. This is the Kada judge. This is the regime persecuting Dr. Besigye and all other political prisoners in the name. The only call is to the people of Uganda here and abroad. The only thing that works with this regime is pressure. I want to thank all those in Kenya, in all of East Africa and all over the world that are putting up pressure. Please put up pressure. From here, we are going to hold prayers at Kabule for Dr. Kizza Besigye and other political prisoners. We are not going to stop. We gave the regime 48 hours to release Dr. Kizza Besigye because they want him alive. They are trying to kill him, and all of you see. So I call people of goodwill to stand with not only Dr. Kizza Besigye, but all political prisoners, especially those that are in prison illegally, courtesy of now the defunct military court. So stand with Dr. Kizza Besigye and all political prisoners, exert pressure, because pressure is the only thing that works under dictatorial regime. Thank you very much.
Muruganda.
Edisinga council nkwaga byogedde ekyenjagala okwogera mu bulambuzi nti kuno si kwozesa wabula kutulugunya. Bali mu kutulugunya Dr. Besigye n'abasibe bonna abaasibwa mu bumenyi bw'amateeka. Singa teyabadde pressure wano mu Uganda n'okwetolola eggwanga n'okwetolola Africa, kuba tebamwagala nga mulamu. Ensonga lwaki bamutadde mu kkomera mu mbeera gy'alimu. Njagala mujjukire nti omulamuzi oyo y'omusingiza yasindika Kakwenza Basajja mu kkomera mu kifo ky'omusindika mu ICU ng'ali bubi nnyo. Ye mulamuzi y'omu eyagamba nti enguzi y'omu parliament yali mu mateeka. Service award yali mu mateeka. That's the same judge that said the service award was legal. Kati ye mulamuzi y'omu yasindise Dr. Besigye mu kkomera mu kifo ky'omusindika mu ddwaliro. So kuno si kwozesa Dr. Besigye oba abasibe abalala wabula kubatulugunya. Nti bagambyeko nti teyandiza olwaleero singa teyabadde pressure gye mwataddewo. N'olw'ensonga eyo nze njagala okubasaba mwenna gye muli muteekewo pressure. Tubeebaza mwenna abeekalakasiza okwetoola East Africa ne wano mu Uganda. Temulekerawo kuba bano bawulira pressure yokka. Abatulugunya bawulira pressure. Okuba wano naffe n'abakulembeze abalala tugenda kuba n'okusaba tukagule nga tusabira Dr. Besigye n'abasibe bonna abali mu kkomera mu bumenyi bw'amateeka. Ne nammwe tubasaba buli omu waali mu ngeri yonna gy'asobola ateekewo pressure ku social media, ku street n'awalala wonna kubanga bano bawulira pressure. Mwebale nnyo mwebale.
I came here expecting to take Dr. Kizza Besigye home today. I'm devastated, but I'm not surprised. Besigye is a captive. He was kidnapped. He's in captivity, as we all are. Seven has put all of us in captivity. This Kada judge, shame on him. Shame on him to send back to jail a man whose health is deteriorating very fast. But it's all President Museveni and his insane son, who is the army commander or chief of the army, who are holding all of us in captivity. We must liberate ourselves. That is enough. ate ng'akulembera amagye gaabwe ffenna tubasibye Museveni amaze emyaka 40 mukulembeze naye afuddemu edda tategeera mateeka takola ku mateeka era ffenna tulina okwemwanako netwenunula twebale nnyo abazze ab'ebibiina byonna abadde wano ffenna twegasibwamu okwenunula tewali kirala omusajja n'emutabali bombi tebali ku mateeka ate ndowooza n'emitwe gyabwe.
Has the doctor stopped his hunger strike?
Okay, buterevu omulungi ali ku ssama embeera nga bweri yabu kenke nnyo ddala. Tambula tusambule. Bale tutambule.
Busa, oyingira mweno?
Musaite eno.
Media twerabira kubanga osubscribinga akaseera kano bwetyo embeera bwekyali omulungi andaba akaseera kano bwetyo embeera bwekyali gwe omulungi andaba alano yes embeera bwetyo bweri omulungi atulaba akaseera kano nga bwekityo bwekiri kyoli mu kulaba bwetyo embeera bweri omulungi andaba akaseera kano nga bwekityo bwekiri era nga present ayolekedde ku kamera manya ayolekedde ku makerere kavule omulungi atulaba akaseera kano bwetyo embeera bweri bwetembera bweri ku kooti era okubanga mbaweereza akaseera kano Hajji munzikirize nveeko ngenda kuba nkomawo mu ssaawa eziddako amanya n'eddoboozi nsigadde ekyambadde musomesa okubanga
kale kati mukkirize ngenda kusooka
Motion.
Twongereko kemagege. Leka. Ani agenda kwata. Bana aba microphone mulete tukole. Sembere kamera. Hajji anagenda kukwatira kwa. Hajji anagenda kukwatira kwa walizi. Anagenda kukwatira walizi. Gendo wali emire wali ali. Hajji kadwa order za fe. Sina microphone. Amina anagenda kukwatira. Anagenda kukwatira. Okay. Anyanya nini? Bina. Anagenda kukwatira.
basi kyekyo nwalu
Amina wansi
wakiri
adere mpola mpola Amina damina Amina terera Are we set?
Yes.
Okay. Amen. With the due respect to the trial judge, we do leave the court premises today with the disillusion in the way the matter has been handled. We are in the way the whole matter has been processed, because the writ of habeas corpus, which in simple terms is a prerogative order which can only be given by court in exceptional circumstances like this, where one's liberty has been curtailed without any justifiable or lawful cause, is a matter which has to be disposed of expeditiously. And when you look at the provisions of Article 23, read together with the Article 44, this right to habeas corpus is non-derogable. It comes into play in emergency situations like this, and their life is in danger. So Dr. Besigye was brought together with Obed Lutale this morning under very, unreasonable circumstances. There was an order that he be returned to Luzira without a valid remand warrant. Yes, we appreciate that court ought to have listened to all of us, both sides, before rendering a decision. But we made a good case for quick intervention, and we thought court would come up with the declaratory orders today about the legality of the doctor's incarceration or the curtailment of his liberty. Unfortunately, it has not happened. Yes, we have made our submissions. We are grateful that the judge has listened to us, and we also appreciate the fact that he interrogated the circumstances under which Dr. Besigye and other prisoners of conscience are being detained in total violation of the Supreme Court order or directive. Unfortunately, we have not got a decision today. We are walking away from the court premises without a remedy today. Decision to be delivered today should be instant, and we would require that, honestly speaking, the justice of the case required that today there should be a remedy, there should be a decision, and it should be instant. Unfortunately, that is not the case. And to make matters worse, we have not been given any idea or clue as to when the decision will be given. We have been directed that tomorrow we write to the judge requesting for the date when the decision will be delivered. It's really baffling, because at least if he was not in position to give the judgment today, probably would have indicated that give me today or tomorrow, then I'll deliver the ruling within the course of tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. That was never to be the case. You see, you cannot again curtail one's liberty, which are duly guaranteed under the Constitution, the Bill of Rights, on account of the government red tape, bureaucracy. You had their flimsy arguments. The state, the Attorney General, they are saying they are exchanging communications. The letter to the principal judge, a letter to the Chief Justice, a letter to the CDF, a letter to the Attorney General, a letter to the DPP. They are just still exchanging communication. They are hiding under red tape, under bureaucracy, to continue violating the rights of Dr. Besigye and other prisoners of conscience.
we thought court would bring that to a halt, that would stop that kind of impunity. Unfortunately, it would appear court developed fit of Kire and had to delay the delivery of the judgment. So we are going to retreat and see the next course of action, how we shall get a remedy under the circumstances as we await for the court decision in this matter. But we leave these premises with a heavy heart, with disillusionment, and of course devastation. That is it.
Honorable, the most concerning thing has been doctor's health.
Yeah, I've canvassed all that because we have really stated the fact that Dr. Besigye's health is deteriorating by the day, and the judge ought to have recognized that fact, and it should be a compelling reason for the court to deliver the judgment today, to determine the fate of Dr. Besigye today. And we thought that would be instant, given the deteriorating health situation of Dr. Kizza Besigye. So we thought that would be a significant matter that would compel the trial judge to render a decision today. So I think that is a matter we have covered sufficiently. So kakati naye tugenda nevuunya ku mutima nti tubadde tusuubira olwaleero application eno ejja kulira okusooka mujjukira abadde bagifikisinze nga 25 omulamuzi n'atubeerera wakisa n'akyusa n'agamba nti aa mujja olwaleero era nekituwa essuubi nti bwe tujja olwaleero bw'anaamala okuwuliriza tufune decision ey'amangu. Kitwenyamizza, kituleetedde vunya mutima, yadde omulamuzi tumuwa ekitiibwa era tusuubira nti kale agenda kukola omulimu gwe asalewo, naye ayinza okusalawo ng'embeera ndala. Mulabye obulamu Dr. Besigye bwalimu, n'omulamuzi yennyini abulabye, n'okutuusa kati tannafuna mbeera efuna bujjanjabi bumala obutuufu okuva mu badokita yebe yeekyuzingidde, ate n'okuva mu ddwaliro erina obusobozi okukola ku bulamu bwe. Ate nga tubalaze nti okuva nga 31 omwezi ogwa January tewali bano kye baali bakoze, era olwaleero kyeyolese lwatu nti ne byeboogera ebya transferred files bagenda zitwala mu civilian courts tebiriiyo. Kyeraze lwatu kubanga mu affidavit ereeteddwa state attorney bwe bujulizi bwabwe balaga amabaluwa ge beewandiikira nti attorney general yawandiikira chief justice n'awandiikira principal judge, ti principal judge n'awandiika ebbaluwa ng'edda mu ya attorney general, attorney general bwe yagifuna n'agiwa CDF n'attorney general era endala n'agiwa DPP nga bagamba nti kale mukole ku process ey'okutransferinga files. Temuliimu n'akawaayiro n'akamu mu affidavit yaabwe we bagambira nti files zino tugenda zitransferinga era ku lunaku bwe ruti. Ate nga ssemateeka alambika bulungi tojja kukuumira muntu mu kkomera okuggyako ng'olina ebiragiro bya kooti.